Hello, Chef here, tossing together a salad, real quick salad. I got these baby greens looking really good. Sometimes these greens are a little bit on the long side, and when that happens you want to either cut them down or just give them a little twist like this. Okay, start assembling the salad. They go on the plate like that. Might as well put a few more. Nice portion like this. Okay. Looking good. And this particular salad is going to have a few different components. Good idea to add different components to a salad and give it a little height, give a little color, a little contrast here like this. Okay, so in this one we've got carrots. Yeah, carrots. I'm going to just give a quick bias cut, kind of bite size like this. Okay, put a few carrots around the plate like this. Okay, I've also got fresh buffalo mozzarella like this, big giant mozzarella. For this I'm specifically using a cheese knife. Yeah, cuts really nice, really easily, and you get the much cleaner slice on the buffalo mozzarella, just like this. Okay. So I'm going to put a few pieces around the plate like this. Buffalo mozzarella. Okay. We're going to be putting just a couple of Kalamata olives around the plate right here. Alright. I've also got just a touch of blue cheese. A little crumbled blue cheese is going to be really good on this. Just like so. And the protein I'm adding here on this particular salad is going to be an awesome wood smoked grilled chicken breast. And I'm going to follow the same pattern here like this. Maybe bite-sized pieces, a little bit smaller. Okay, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Okay, I actually like this piece better. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and now I'm going to put just a touch of extra virgin olive oil like this, a little bit around the plate. Just a touch of balsamic vinegar. This is my own reduction right here. It's a little bit like this. A little bit of fresh ground black pepper. Touch of sea salt. Oh yeah, that's looking really good. Alright, so of course, once again, the tools, handmade Japanese knives, butcher block. Check out the sponsor right there. That is the video. I just wanted to share this salad with you. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Leave a comment. Tell us what you think about this salad. And yeah, check out the channel. There's a lot of other salads and ideas for you. This could be an appetizer or an entree. And specifically, it's very, very healthy because of the baby greens. Yeah. Keep cooking and have a great day.